Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn EVS lesson 12, our body. The main topics of this lesson are our body and body system. Our first topic is about our body. As we all know that our body is most amazing machine in the world. We can move, sing, think, see, hear, smell and do many other things that no other machine can do. Children, how is our body made up of? Our body is made up of many parts working together. Each part has its own function. Let us discuss in detail. The human body is made up of cells and joined together to form a tissue. These tissue join together to make an organ. Many organs work together to form a system. These different systems work together for the functioning of the whole body. Next, we discuss about our second topic, body system. There are many different systems in our body. Each one has its own function. For example, the skeletal system, the muscular system, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, the nervous system, the excretory system, and the reproductive system. Let us discuss in more detail about the systems in our body. First one, the skeletal system. The human body has a framework of bones called a skeleton. The bones, joints, and connecting tissues of the body make up the skeletal system. The bones give the shape and support to the body, and it is also protects the internal organs. Do you know that a baby has about 300 bones at birth? These eventually fuse to form the 206 bones that adults have. Next, we discuss about the muscular system. Muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. There are about 650 muscles in a human body. Muscles make up almost half of a person's body weight. The smallest bone and smallest muscles are found in the middle ear. Third one, the digestive system. The food we eat is broken down into simpler form to be used by the body is called digestion. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. The food is chewed and mixed with saliva. Saliva helps to break down carbohydrates. The food passes into the stomach through the food pipe where food is churned and mixes with several other digestive juices. From the stomach, the food passes through a long coiled tube called small intestine. Digestive juices from the pancreas and the liver are poured into the small intestine. These digestive juices help in the breakdown of proteins and fats into simpler forms. Digestion of the food is completed in the small intestine and useful substance absorbed into the blood. The undigested food passes into the large intestine and removed from the body in the form of feces through the anus. Let us discuss about the respiratory system. When we breathe, air enters through our nose. Then it passes through the wide pipe and is taken to the lungs. The air we taken in has oxygen. Oxygen is needed to produce energy. In the lungs, oxygen is absorbed from the air. It goes into our blood and to all parts of our body. Fifth one, the circulatory system. Children, put your hand on the left side of your chest. What do you feel? We feel the beating of the heart. The heart works like a pump. Here, the heart pumps blood to different parts of the body through the small and big blood vessels. There are two types of blood vessels, heart blood and the blood vessels form the circulatory system. Sixth one, the nervous system. The brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves form the nervous system. The nerves in the body receive signals from the sense organs, muscles, bones, etc., and send them to the brain. The brain initiates our actions and responses. Seventh one, the excretory system. The body has two bean-shaped kidneys. Blood passes through the kidneys. The waste from the body has to be removed regularly from the excretory system. The kidney throw out waste in the form of urine. The lungs send out carbon dioxide when we exhale, and the skin lets out waste as sweat. Next, the reproductive system. The reproductive system is responsible for producing babies. The organs in men and women that helps in this process form the reproductive system. Next, we'll discuss some hard words. TISSUES, tissues. Second one, CONNECTING, connecting. SKELETALSYSTEM, skeletal system. DIGESTION, digestion. INTESTINE, intestine. PANCREAS, pancreas. RESPONSIBLE, responsible. INVOLVED, involved. KIDNEY, kidney. SWEAT, sweat. Next question answers. Define an organ. Tissue joined together to make an organ. Second question. What makes up the skeletal system? The bones, joint and connecting tissues of the body make up the skeletal system. Third question. What is the functions of the digestive system? Name the organs involved. Digestion is the function of the digestive system. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small and large intestine, pancreas and liver are the organs involved. Fourth question. How are muscles useful to us? Muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. Fifth question. Which organ pumps blood to all parts of the body? The heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. Sixth question. Which system helps the body to get rid of waste materials? What are the organs involved in this process? The excretory system helps the body to get rid of waste materials. The lungs, kidney and skin are involved. Second section, fill in the blanks. First one, tissues join together to make an organ. The air we take in has oxygen. Third one, the blood, heart and the blood vessels form the circulatory system. The nervous, fourth one, the nerves, brain and the spinal cord form the nervous system. Fifth one, the kidneys throw out waste in the form of urine. Third section, correct the following statements by changing the underlined words. First one, the human body is made up of tissues, cells. Second one, the muscles of the body make up the skeleton, bones. Third one, the lungs work like a pump, heart. Fourth one, the body has two bean-shaped lungs, kidneys. Fifth one, the skin lets out waste as oxygen, sweat. Fourth section, match the following. Children, look at the picture and match the figure. Circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system, nervous system, respiratory system, skeletal system. Fifth section, match the systems of their functions. Muscular system, movement of the body parts. Digestive system, digestion of food. Third one, nervous system, controlling all body parts. Fourth one, respiratory system, taking in oxygen. Fifth one, excretory system, throwing out waste from the body. Sixth one, circulatory system, pumping blood to all parts of the body. Seventh one, reproductive system, producing children. Sixth section, choose and write the correct option. First one, the number of bones in an adult body. 206. Second one, the number of muscles in our body is about 650. Third one, the smallest unit of human body is the cell. Fourth one, oxygen helps to produce energy. Fifth one, our heart is situated at the left side of our chest. Children, today homework for you. Learn page number 166, the digestive system parts, and learn fill in the blanks. Thank you, children.